Hi students, good morning. Welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class. I hope you all are fine. We are learning our second chapter algebra, last section binomial theorem. Some more problems are left in this section. This is the last section in second unit. Okay. So I hope you all completed the homeworks. 3 problems. I gave some homeworks for you. I hope you all completed. Okay. So let's start from example 2.44. Find the middle term in the expansion of x by 3 plus 9y the whole power 9. We need to find the middle term in the expansion of x by 3 plus 9y the whole power 9. So first what will you do? We will compare. Is it right? So first we are going to compare. Solution. Compare x by 3 plus 9y the whole power 9 with x plus a the whole power n. Okay. So we are going to compare this x by 3 plus 9y the whole power 9 with x plus a the whole power n. Okay. So first you need to find whether n and n plus 1 is odd or even. Okay. So we will use that middle term of x plus a power n. I taught you the case 1 and case 2. So one problem related to case 1 we have did already. So this one is related to case 2. Okay. So if n is odd, then the number of terms n plus 1 is even. Therefore we have 2 middle terms. Okay. So we are going to use that rule. Okay. So here since n value n is equal to 9. So when you are finding n plus 1, what will happen? 10. Correct? Whether it is even or odd? It is even. Therefore, there will be 2 middle terms. Okay. What are the middle terms? There are 2 middle terms. The middle terms are Tn plus 1 by 2, comma Tn plus 3 by 2. So what are the middle terms? Substitute T9 plus 1 by 2 as well as T9 plus 3 by 2. So what are the terms you will get? T10, is it right? So T10 by 2. Then another one is T12 by 2. So what are the terms you will get here? Which implies T5 and T6 are the middle terms. So understand? So T5 and T6 are the middle terms. The reason you know it, right? By using that case 2. Okay. So if n plus 1 is odd means only one middle term. So we have did one problem. So this is 2 middle terms. So we need to find T5 as well as T6. That's the only thing. Okay. So first we are going to the general term of an expansion. General term in the expansion of x plus a the whole power n is, what's the formula? Tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r a power r. Okay, we are going to use this Tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r a power r. Okay, we need to find T5 as well as T6. So T5 we need means R for what's the value will substitute? R for 4. If you need T6 means what will you substitute for R? R is equal to 5. From that you will get T6. Understand? So both the values also you need to find by using this formula. Okay. So first to find T5. We are going to find T5. For T5 means for R, what's the value will put? Put R equal to 5 in equation number 1. Okay. So r is equal to 4. First you write all the values for n. N is equal to, what's the value? N value 9. Then what is the value for x? In the place of x is x by 3. In the place of a is 9y. Okay, substitute in 1. So what's the formula? T4 plus 1. Okay, so T4 plus 1 is equal to NCR. Is it right? So 9CR value 4 is NCR x power, that is x by 3 the whole power n minus r. N value is 9 minus 4. Then a power r. What's the a value? 9y. The whole power r value is 9y power 4. Okay, so that's equal to 9C4 means 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. X power x by 3 the whole power 5. 9y the whole power 4. Okay, now we are going to simplify. 4 and 8 will get cancelled. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Again it will get cancelled. So what's the balance? 9 7s are 9 7s are how much will get? 63. 63 into 2. Okay. So 9 7s are 63. 63 into 2. So 63 into 2. So 6 12. So 126 into x power 5 divided by 3 power 5. So the meaning is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Correct? 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. 81 into 3 means 243 you will get. So 243 into 9 power 4. So 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are, so 81 into 81. Okay. So 1 8 8. 8 8s are 64. So 1 16 1 5 6. Correct? So 6561. Okay. So 6561 into y power 4. Just you simplify this, you will get the answer. We are going to simplify this. So if you are cancelling, so if you cancel, it will be very easy for you. So for 3 table, you can cancel this as 81. If you cancel this means you will get as 42. Okay. So again you can cancel for 3 table. So for 9th table. So you will get this as 81 will change as 9. Again you can cancel. So if you are cancelling, so this one when you are cancelling you will get 729. Again for 9 you can cancel this as 81. Okay. So now we are going to multiply, that is 42 into 81. Multiply and see 42 into 81. 2 1 is 2. 4 1 is 4. This is 16. 1 4 8s are 32. 33. So 2 0 1 3. So what's the answer? 3 4 0 2. X power 5 y power 4. This is the answer. Understand? So this one is one answer. Another one answer we need to find T6 also. Is it right? So to find T6, we are going to find T6. For that, what's the value we will put for r? Put r equal to 5 in 1. Now put r equal to 5 in 1. So T5 plus 1 is equal to 9C5 x by 3 the whole power 9 r value 5. Okay, 9y the whole power 5. That is equal to 9C5 means 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this one x power 9 minus 5 means x power 4, 3 power 4 into 9 power 5 as well as y power 5. So we are going to simplify this. If we simplify, 5 is there, 5 is there, 4, this will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled, this one will change as 2. So now you can multiply. So again 3 into 3 you can cancel. Okay, so 3 into 3 is 9. So it will change as square, it will change as 1 9 it will go. So again if you need you can cancel. So 3 square means the value is 9. Carefully you need to do. The value is 9. Here also 1 you can cancel as than 9 power 4. As per your wish you can simplify. So the balance is 7 into 2 is 14. 14 into 9 power 4. So 9 power 4 means the value is 6561. Okay, remaining x power 4, y power 5. Now multiply 6561 into 1 4. So the answer is 4. 6 4s are 24. Is it right? 2. 5 4s are 20, 22. 2. 6 4s are 24. So 20. Correct? 5 4s are 20, 22. 6 4s are 24. So 26. Again 1, 6, 5, 6, 4, 5, 8, 1, 9. So the answer is 91854 x power 4 y power 5. Understand? So maybe in 5 mark question they can ask. So do it very carefully. 2 answers you will get. The reason is n plus 1. When you are finding n and n plus 1 is even. Odd means only 1 middle term. Even means 2 middle term. That's the only difference. Just to substitute in the formula and simplify. Very easy. Okay. So let's move to next problem. Next question is example 2.45. Find the coefficient of x power 10 in the binomial expansion of 2x square minus 3 by x the whole power 11. Okay. So we need to find the coefficient. So this is a small difference is there. Listen. Solution. First you write the general term. So what's the general term? General term of x plus a the whole power n is, what's the formula? TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. It's equation number 1. Okay. Now we will compare. Compare 2x square minus 3 by x the whole power 11 with x plus a the whole power n. We are going to compare. So what will happen? What's the x value? 2x square. Okay. So a with the along with the symbol you need to take. Okay. So minus 3 by x. Then what's the n value? 11. So now you compare. Now tr plus 1. Substitute in tr plus 1. 11 cr 2x square the whole power 11 minus r. Okay. Minus 3 by x the whole power r. We don't know the r value. So, okay. So, r value we need to find. Keep it in mind. We need to find the r value. That's equal to 11 cr 2x square the whole power 11 minus r. We are going to split it as 2 power 11 minus r into, okay, into x square is there. Is it right? So, x square into 11 minus r. Then, this one minus 3 power r, another one term is into 1 by x the whole power r. What I did, I split all the terms. Okay, 11 cr into 2 power 11 minus r, x square the whole power 11 minus r, minus 3 separately, 1 by x separately. So that's equal to 11 cr 2 power 11 minus r, x square the whole power into 11 minus r. Is it right? So what's the value we get? X power 22 minus 2r. Okay, 22 minus 2r into 3 power r, everything into, okay, I am putting the dot, into 1 by x. Is it right? So 1 by x power r. Okay, so the meaning is 1 by x power r. Okay, that 1 power r means the value is 1. So now you can bring this power to here. So 11 cr 2 power 11 minus r. So 11 minus r. Then x power, everything into x power 22 minus, here one r is there. Is it right? So minus 2r. If you are bringing this to here, so minus r into 3 power r. Okay. Now simplify. 11 cr 2 power 11 minus r x power 22 minus 3r 3 power r. Okay, that's equal to here one symbol we have Mr. minus 3 power r. Okay, so minus 3 power r. Carefully, minus 3 power. Now we need to find the what's the question? To find the coefficient of x power 10. Is it right? So to find the coefficient of x power 10. So you need to find out the x power 10 coefficient. Is it right? So x power 10 means here x power something is there. So we take you take x power 22 minus 3r is equal to x power 10. So you can equate. So what will happen? 22 minus 3r equal to 10. So from there minus 3r is equal to 10 minus 22. So minus 3r is equal to minus 12. So r is equal to 4. Now we got the value for r. We need to substitute in the coefficient of x power 10. Okay, now you got the r value. Got it? So just I equated. For this only I am changing this as x power. So don't omit any x powers. So x power alone we need. Okay. Now you can substitute all the values here. Okay. Let us take this equation as 1 or 2 or something. You can take it and substitute it. Okay. Otherwise given equation itself you can substitute. Both are also correct. Okay. So shall we substitute? T5. Given equation you can substitute. T5 is equal to 11C4 NCR. Okay, over x power. X value is 2x square. The whole power n value 11 minus 4. A value minus 3 by x the whole power r. R value 4. Okay. So that's equal to 11C4 2x square the whole power 11 minus 4 means you will get is 7, correct? Minus 3 by x the whole power 4. You can simplify 11C4 means, otherwise no problem, 11C4 you can write it as it is. 2 power 7 is there, is it right? So 2 power 7 is there into x power 7 is there into minus 3 the whole power 4 is there divided by x power 4. This x alone you can simplify. So 11C4 2 power 7 x power 7 minus 4 means x power how much you will get? X power 7. Here on 2x square is there. So 2 into 7 means the value will be 14. Is it right? So 2 power 14. 2 power the value is 7. X power the value will be 2 into 14. For x alone the square is there. Okay. So I am writing correctly. That is equal to 11C4 2 power 2 for 7 only, is it right? But x square for the whole power 7. Okay, carefully. Minus 3 power 4 x power 4. Now I split it. So what's the value? 11C4 2 power 7 x power 14 minus 3 power 4 divided by x power 4. You can bring this x power alone here. So 11C4 2 power 7 minus 3 the whole power 4 means you will get as 3 power 4. Why you know? Why? It is even. Okay, so when you are taking the even powers, negative symbol will change as positive. So x power 14 minus 4 means x power 10. What's the coefficient of x power 10? That's the answer. Coefficient of x power 10 is 11C4 2 power 7 3 power 4. Got it? Okay. Very easy, but when you are multiplying or taking the powers, you want to be very careful. Here it is 2 square. Okay, so for 2 alone 7 only, but for x the power is 2 into 7. So 14 is there. So the question is x power 10 coefficient. So this is the answer. Understand? I hope you got it. Let's move to next problem. One more example is left there. Example 2.46. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of 2x plus 1 by 3x square the whole power 9. Okay, term independent of x. Okay, so term independent of x means there's a small difference is there. Solution. First we are going to write the general term here. General term in the expansion of x plus a the whole power n is t r plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r a power r. Okay, now compare with x plus a the whole power n. Compare 2x plus 1 by 3x square the whole power 9 with x plus a the whole power n. Compare with this. What's x value? 2x, a value 1 by 3x square, n value 9. Okay, compare. Now tr plus 1 is equal to, substitute 9 cr 2x the whole power n minus r. Is it right? So n value is 9, r value you don't know, 9 minus r, 1 by 3x square the whole power r. Correct? That is equal to 9cr, split it, 2 power 9 minus r, x power 9 minus r. Okay, then 1 power r is there, 1 power r divided by 3x square the whole power r. That is equal to, x only we need, is it right? So you need to split everything. That is 9cr, 2 power 9 minus r, x power 9 minus r. So this 1 power r, the value is 1. 1 by 3 power r. This x you can bring to the numerator as minus 2r. Okay. Now you simplify this 2. So 9cr 2 power 9 minus r, x power 9 minus r minus 2r. Okay. So divided by 3 power r. So when you are simplifying, 9cr 2 power 9 minus r by 3 power r, everything into, okay, into x power 9 minus 3r. Now we need to find the term independent of x. Okay, so to get the term independent of x, you need to do, what you need to do is equating the power of x as 0. Okay, equating x as 0. That is term independent to x. For you need to find the term independent of x means you need to equate the power of x as 0. Okay, so what's the power? 9 minus 3r is equal to 0. Minus 3r is equal to minus 9. From that r equal to 3. Now we have found out r equal to 3. Now put r equal to 3 in 1. Substitute in r equal to 3 in 1. So t 3 plus 1 is equal to ncr, that is 9c3 2x power 9 minus 3 1 by 3x square the whole power r means 3. Okay, simplify 9c3. If you need, you can simplify and write it, otherwise no problem. That is 2 power, how much you will get? 9 minus 3 means 2 power 6, x power 6 into 1 cube means 1, 3 power 3 into x power 2 into 3. Carefully 3 cube, but here x power 6, 2 into 3. So this power and this power, x power 0, is it right? 9c3 2 power 6 divided by 3 power 3 power 3, is it right? So x power 6 minus 6 means x power 0, the value is 1. So what's the value we'll get is, if you need you can simplify, 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So 2 power 6 means the value is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 is 64. Divided by 3 cube, is it right? So 3 into 3 is, otherwise it will be very easy when you are writing like this. That is 2 power 6 means you can write as 2 2s are 4, okay, 2 square. So again means 4 into 4 into 4 you will get. 3 also you can write like this and it will be easy to multiply. Okay, so you can cancel. So this 3 and this 3, 1 9 will get cancelled. So again anything you can cancel. So here you can cancel. So how much you will get? You can't cancel anything. Okay, so when you are multiplying the numerator you will get 1792 divided by 9. I think in the old book there is a mistake in the answer. If there is a mistake you change it. That is divided by 9 they missed in your book. So if there is a mistake you change it. That is 3 into 3 is the value is 9. Okay, so 1792 numerator correctly you will get. Denominator there will be 9. Okay, so examples everything over. Now it's the time to give the homework for you. Take down your books all of you. Exercise 2.6. First 3 problem I hope you all completed. So everything similar to exercise example. So it will be very easy. So then find the middle term. So today we have completed. So fourth problem 3 Romans are there. Very easy, you can complete. Then term independent of the expansion 5. So your homework is exercise 2.6 problem number 4 and 5 homework. Okay students. Remaining 2 more very important questions there. So that 2 problems you will see in the next class. So from that itself, that second unit it will be over. So in the next class I hope I will start the third chapter also. Okay, before that you learn everything. Take down everything to your classwork. Don't forget to do the homeworks. So 2 subdivisions there are, 4 and 5 means fourth problem 3 subdivisions are there. Fifth problem 3 subdivisions are there. So totally 6 problems are there. Okay. So middle term as well as term independent of x. So complete everything and learn everything. Take down everything to your classworks. We will meet in the next class. Thank you students.